There is an old saying you hear in different forms across regions and languages. When famine strikes, you move your cattle into someone else's shed, let them be fed there, and when the famine passes, you quietly take them back. Now think about this for a moment because that saying sounds uncomfortably close to what we are seeing in Maharashtra politics right now. When Ajit Pawar broke away from his uncle Sharad Pawar and split the NCP, the explanations were familiar. Leadership differences, ideological disagreements, personal ambitions, take your pick. But what if that wasn't the full story? What if this wasn't a rebellion at all, but a long game? What if Sharad Pawar didn't actually lose his cattle but simply parked them next door until the political famine passed? Think about it. One faction stays in the opposition playing the victim, holding the moral high ground, while the other, stacked with key leaders, walks straight into power with the BJP. Ministries secured, access intact, funds flowing, survival guaranteed. See, we are not making any allegations here, we are just reading what's happening in plain sight. Because Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar has now announced that both factions of the NCP will contest the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation elections together. Pause and think about that for a second. Can you imagine Uddhav Thackeray and Eknath Shinde contesting the BMC elections together? Clearly not, right? So how is this possible within the Pawar family? That's the real story and that's exactly we are breaking down today. Hello, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, we are breaking down a political move in Maharashtra that's raising more questions than answers. The sudden coming together of both factions of the NCP for the Pimpri-Chinchwad civic polls. And whether this was ever really a split or just a long political game. But before we dive in, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's talk about PCMC, the Pawar family fortress. Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation is Maharashtra's second richest civic body after the BMC, and this has always been Ajit Pawar's stronghold. From 2002 to 2017, the undivided NCP ruled here, winning most of the 128 seats and building massive reserves. And Ajit Pawar himself has credited that period for developments like the Hinjewadi IT Park. Then came 2017 when the BJP struck gold by winning 77 seats, after which the civic body has been run by administrators. Now elections are scheduled for January 15, 2026 and just a week before that, on December 28, 2025 at a rally in Chinchwad, Ajit Pawar made a big announcement. The family is together, declaring that his NCP and Sharad Pawar's NCP-SP will fight these elections jointly. And now comes the latest twist. NCP-SP MLA Rohit Pawar has confirmed that both factions will now contest together, not just in Pimpri-Chinchwad, but in Pune as well. Supriya Sule spoke to party workers in Pune. Inputs came in from Pimpri too. And the call was taken, a joint fight but on separate symbols. Rohit Pawar said Sharad Pawar stayed out of the decision, calling it a workers' call. From a PCMC only understanding to a twin city alliance almost overnight. So is the famine really over? Now let's rewind to understand the famine, why it hit and why it suddenly seems to be over. Remember the 2023 NCP split? When Ajit Pawar took more than 40 MLAs and joined the BJP Shiv Sena government, Sharad Pawar appeared genuinely shocked at the time, saying he never imagined that the party would split like this. The Election Commission later awarded Ajit Pawar the NCP name and the clock symbol, while Sharad Pawar was left with NCP-SP and the Tutari. Look closely at what followed. Ajit Pawar became Deputy Chief Ministers with key ministries. The Mahayuti swept the 2024 Assembly election and Sharad Pawar stayed safe in the opposition. And now we are seeing this PCMC reunion without a full merger. Notice the pattern now. It is not just PCMC anymore, it's Pune and Pimpri-Chinchwad both. A twin city Pawar comeback on separate symbols. We are told the worker decided Pawar Sahib stayed out. So where's the selectiveness now? Because this is starting to look a lot more statewide. So is this a coincidence or is this cattle parking? Enjoying power in the BJP's shed and quietly bringing the cattle back once the famine is over. There is no hard proof of a pre-planned split, but this seamless reunion does raise questions. Now let's talk about why this alliance looks desperate. Ajit Pawar's PCMC fortress has been weakening, with around 17 to 25 of his senior leaders defecting to the BJP in recent months. While the BJP has sharply increased its activity in the region, the NCP's pitch is simple. They say they made PCMC rich while BJP appointed administrators have buried it under debt. Development versus debt. That's the narrative. Seat sharing has already been finalized for both Pune and PCMC. Workers' decision. This election is Ajit Pawar's litmus test because if he loses on his home turf, his bargaining power collapses. Sharad Pawar gains too because the Pawar legacy survives. So what happens next? For now, this unity seems limited to PCMC. But what about the other 28 civic polls across Maharashtra? With an eye firmly on the 2027 assembly elections, the Pawars are clearly playing chess, not checkers. If they win together, the Parivar together narrative grows stronger. If they lose, the family feud will return to center stage. So here is the real question. Has the famine truly ended, or are the cattle just being parked somewhere else? Tell us what you think in the comments below.